In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the out of video memory error message in Valorant. Now, there's one quick and easy way that we can fix this, and that's by heading over to your start menu and searching for settings. Click on the settings window, and from the left-hand navigation, select system. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list and select about. Then beneath device specifications, you'll see related links. Now you need to click on advanced system settings, and from this window, make sure you have the advanced tab selected at the top. Underneath performance, click on settings, click on the advanced tab. Make sure processor scheduling is set to programs. Then underneath virtual memory, we're going to hit the change button. And if you have this option at the top here selected, automatically manage paging file size, you're just going to deselect that like so. Click on custom size down here. And then down at the bottom, you'll see a number next to currently allocated. So you can see from my number, it's 36864. And that's the number that we're going to be typing in to both initial size and maximum size. So you can see I've already entered this number inside of here. So once again, you're just going to copy whatever number is in currently allocated. You're going to enter that text into these two fields. Then we can go ahead and press OK. Click on apply and OK. Then you can close out of these windows and try launching Valorant, and that should have now fixed your memory issue. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.